Guys, so today we've got some great news for the JASMY coin price, because right now the JASMY coin price is respecting this red support zone by simply bouncing off of this exact level in the daily time frame. So in this video we'll be talking about the recent price action and discuss what we could expect for the JASMY coin price in the next couple of days, and also the important levels to account for and much more. So you definitely wouldn't want to miss this update video I have right now for the JASMY coin price. So this video will be really quick and straightforward. We will start by talking in the daily time frame and then move on to the longer time frames later on the video. So as you guys can see right now, we are in the daily time frame charts, and great news for the JASMY coin price, because right now JASMY coin has bounced off of this exact level. It has bounced off of 0.016 cents right here. So this is great news, because if we do zoom out for the JASMY coin price, this exact red zone has acted as support multiple times for the JASMY coin price, and it has led to the price bouncing back up towards the upside right after touching this exact zone or exact level. So this is great news. Also, this is an order block, keep in mind. That is why it is right now supporting the price. So there is high buying pressure at this level, and it is definitely good to see the bulls taking over at this level. So right now, what am I expecting? In the next couple of hours, I'm expecting that we could see JASMY coin continue to essentially move towards the upside until we do touch this resistance trend line, and then we will see if JASMY coin will manage to break above this level or get rejected once again. Because again, if you guys are aware, we have the three scenarios laid out. I have mentioned this previously, and I'll try to reiterate it again in simple terms. If we do see, or when we do see JASMY coin successfully break above this trend line, because keep in mind this trend line is acting as a resistance, so it's going to be very important to break above this in order to expect higher prices. So if JASMY coin successfully breaks above this level and flips it to support, that would be bullish news for JASMY coin, and we could move towards the next target, which is this previous swing high right here, and then see if we could take this level out. If we manage to take this level out, then the scenario one comes into play, which is this one. We have a retest of this level and then continue the overall pump towards the upside. But scenario two is that we could see JASMY coin potentially get rejected at this supply zone right here at around 0.024 cents. So look out for this scenario two. And lastly we have scenario three, and scenario three is the bearish one, because scenario three is expecting that if we do break towards the downside of this support zone right here, if we do break below this red zone, we could pretty much move back down towards the downside to the next support level at around 0.013 cents. So this is scenario 3, and I'm hoping that this would not happen. That is why it's going to be very important that JASMY holds this red support zone at all costs, because the time I would be concerned, or the time I would be worried, is if we do see JASMY coin break below this level right here and flip it to resistance. So yeah, as long as we're holding this red support zone, as long as we are above this red zone right here, there's pretty much nothing to worry about in the short term for the JASMY coin price. Now let us move into the longer weekly time frames and discuss what I am expecting. So my view still remains the same, and I believe that as the bull run continues, we could expect and we could see higher prices for JASMY coin and for the entire crypto altcoin market. So right now, as you guys can see, this to me right now looks like a retest in the longer weekly time frame, a retest of support, a retest of the order block before having that next leg or the next breakout towards the upside to the next long-term target at around 0.036 cents. And then right after this level, we have the next target at 0.071 cents, and then our bull run target at 0.1 cent. So look out for these levels in the long term. And that's pretty much the update I have for the JASMY coin price. So I want to tell you guys that we are about to go through one of the biggest bull runs of our life. And if you are serious about making life-changing wealth in this market, you can no longer do this alone. You need a group of people. You need that network of people who would supply you with value, who would supply you with information, and who would help you spot opportunities in this market. And that can only be accessed in my private networking group over in Discord. This is called the Swan Group, where we release weekly market insights and updates. The reason why our members are growing rapidly is because all we do is provide value with one another and help each other elevate in this market. So if you're not in this group yet, you are missing out. So be sure to join through the link in the description and act now, because this does not last for long.